This Keaty Real Estate, LLC property video is presented by Leslie Guillory. Open house. 2:25-11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Almost complete, ready for a 30-day close. Prepare for coastal cuteness. The color scheme and selections chosen are top-notch. This modern farmhouse is ready for its first owner. Situated at the back of the neighborhood in a cul-de-sac, you'll love this lot. Adorable front porch, perfect for a bed swing. Some notable features: the builder, Clare Homes, has included a fortified roof, post-tension slab, Energy Star windows, R15 wall insulation, R30 attic insulation, energy-efficient air conditioner, a tankless water heater. An abundance of cabinets in the kitchen, and you'll love the two-toned cabinets.Kitchen is open to the living area, which offers a tongue-and-groove cathedral ceiling that makes the living room feel like a dream. Complete eyesight from living room to the back path. For more information, review the details below.